This is example number 23. A triangular prism with side of base 30 mm and axis 55 mm long lies with one of its longer edges on HP such that its axis is perpendicular to VP. Draw the projections of this triangular prism when the base nearer to VP is at a distance of 10 mm from it. So this is a very interesting question here. The triangular prism, the base and its axis height is given, but here it is mentioned that it is lying on one of its longer edges. Since it is a triangular prism, it will have three longer edges as we have seen already in the introduction part. So what we have to do is we have to make one of the edges rest on the HP, and also we have to make the axis perpendicular to VP, and then we have to draw the projections. So we will do this step one by one. So I will show you now first how to imagine this. So as I have said you that there are two important conditions in this question. The first one is the longer edge being resting on the HP and the axis perpendicular to VP. So first I will make the longer edge rest on the HP in this fashion. Now you will see that I am I will make one of the longer edge to rest on the HP. So there are three longer edges as you can see. Now so now you can see that I have made the triangular prism to rest on the horizontal plane on its longer edge. So this is very interesting. And now I will make it perpendicular to VP. I will make axis perpendicular to VP. So now you can see that the axis has become perpendicular to VP. Now it will become very easy for us when you view it from the front. You will find that there will be a triangle, and when you view it from the top there will be a simple rectangle. So we will see now how to draw this.
As we have seen that it would be the front view will be a triangle, so we will draw that first. This would be 30, and again I am marking arcs. I find this method very easy. The other way is to take the angle also 60 degree, and you can draw that. We will see that any other time. But and also it is mentioned that the edge is on the HP. So this will be your XY line because the edge is on the horizontal plane. And now for the top view, I need to project these lines from here. So from anywhere from here, the rectangle would that would be a angle of 55 mm height. I need to draw this in dotted lines. The reason for this dotted line is just because when viewing from the top, this edge is not visible. That is the reason why I have drawn this. I have drawn this with the dotted lines. And also center would appear here also, center line, as I have said earlier. For example, if this is 30, this would be 15, and after joining this point, and this is 30 and this is 15, we have to join this here. So this point will become the center point of this triangular prism, and we have to draw the axis line from this side. But as this we have to show the edge, I am just showing the edge here, and I am not taking the axis line here. This completes our exercise number 23.
So this is the solution for your example number 23. As you can see, this edge resting on the horizontal plane and the axis is being perpendicular to the vertical plane. That is why top view is appearing as this rectangle here, and there should be a axis line here, but because of the dotted lines appearing due to this edge, resting on the HB, which is not visible from the top, we will have dotted lines here. And also this is 10 distance from the base, which was mentioned in the question that the base is 10 away from the vertical plane. So now the top view is 10 away from the XY line. So this is the solution.